Are you feeling stuck in your fashion career, overwhelmed by endless tasks, or eager to upgrade your skills to stay in demand and secure your future job? Or maybe you dream of launching your own fashion brand but feel limited by time, skills, or resources. Big changes are happening in the fashion industry right now. AI is transforming every role in fashion. Careers like AI artist, digital stylist, and virtual fashion show director aren't the future, they're here now. To have your own AI avatar to save time, that's reality too. Just a few years ago, I often felt left behind, moving too slowly. But AI has speeded up my creativity and productivity 10 times, turning long projects into one-day tasks. I'm Oscar Green. With over 13 years in the fashion industry, I grew my first fashion brand from a single sewing machine to a successful brand with 84,000 happy clients. In 2021, after deep study in sustainable fashion, ecology, innovation, and AI, I launched the Kaolska, a sustainable fashion brand in Portugal that combines upcycled collection, digital fashion, and AI. AI has transformed my business, cutting costs by 60%, speeding up workflow by 5-10 times, and enabling my team to create zero waste on-demand collections. Top brands are already using AI to create impactful campaigns, reduce costs, and boost customer engagement, optimize logistics, inventory stocks, etc. That's why I created Fashion AI Skills Boost, a course to help you integrate AI into your fashion career or business. No coding skills needed. With my system, you will learn how to automate workflows, design digital collections, host virtual shows, create AI chatbots, delegate your daily routine to AI assistants, attract major brands, and launch new collections much faster than ever before. If you already have a brand, AI can streamline processes and boost profits. I'll share my past mistakes so you can avoid them. And if you're launching your own brand now, highly recommend you starting with AI digital prototypes to test idea, secure pre-orders, save money and time, and then already produce physical clothes. AI is like having the smartest assistant by your side, making your work faster and smarter, and your business more sustainable and profitable. Those who embrace AI now will lead the future of fashion. Even small brands can grow quickly. Enroll in Fashion AI Skills Boost today and unlock your creativity and reach new heights. With love, your Fashion AI educator, Oscar Green.